Hello and welcome to a brand new series. Now this come about by me shopping around for this little product here. You may have seen this kicking around. Now this is Celestron's lens cleaning pen. And I thought, oh, what a great concept. I like the idea of that. I'm going to get one of those for the channel. And in my search for one of these pens, I come across a lot of third-party products or lens cleaning products. You know, the kind of thing I always advise you people not to buy. And I thought, this would be interesting. I wonder, are they just as good as the Celestron pen? Because the Celestron pen retails for around about £20. And I saw this cleaning kit, which you've probably seen from the thumbnail now, there's no secrets there. A 6-piece cleaning kit, 6-piece for £6. So that means like £1 a piece, I suppose. So I thought, well, we'll have a look at that. I had to get one, and I had no intentions really of putting it on the channel. And then the idea clicked. I thought, well, what a great idea. So this is the first of many, hopefully. All depends on how people respond to this video, of me buying, out of my own money, cheap stuff. You know, the stuff that's on eBay or Wish or what's the other one? AliExpress. You know, all these cheap third-party sites. And I'm sure you've all been curious of like, I wonder if that's actually any good. Well, I'll be the fool that tests that out for you, and I'll be the one that wastes my money on it if they're actually a big pile of... So like I say, each month or whatever, I don't know yet the plan, but it's definitely going to make this into a little mini series. I'll buy something. I'll buy something, an eyepiece, you know, but it's got to be budget. Now, if you have any suggestions and you are curious about something and you want me to test it out for you, now it has to be budget, not because I'm a cheapskate, okay, but it'd be defeat the purpose of this little mini series. Now don't put, I want you to send me the link for the product and I'll have a look for you, and if it's suitable for the channel, I'll feature it on the channel. I'll actually get it. Send it me via email, because if you send any links in the comments, they'll just get deleted. So it's smalloptics@gmail.com. okay, and you can say I don't know, what should we forward the email? Cheap products, okay? Do label it as cheap products, and I'll know what you're sending me, and I'll know to open that, and I know that's for this video. Anyway, with that being said, let's kick off and have a look at this little beauty here. Oh, look at this, a whole 6-piece cleaning kit for £6. Let's take a closer look and see what's in this Pandora's bag of delights. Ooh. All right, then, are we in for a treat here? I bet. Confession, I have had a sneak peek at the contents, and believe me, it's worth staying around because, well, you'll not believe what's in this thing. Right, okay, this is what we get for our £6. Should we just tip it out, or should we just pick in and grab one? I'll pick in and grab one. Yeah, the suspense. Oh, I know what that is. We'll leave that last. Well, you get an air blower for a start. Yeah, it's an air blower. Actually, this is all right. Okay, granted, this is all right. This could be useful. It's very, very small. But it's an air blower. Okay, we've got one of them. What's next? Oh, an incredibly large cleaning cloth. I don't know why they put these in, but yeah, microfiber cloth. What's that like? Let's have a look at the size. Oh, actually, that's that. You know what? That's not a bad size. That for a budget cleaning cloth. They're usually about that square. Okay, we've got a microfiber cloth. Cool. What else we got? Oh, yeah. Well, oh yeah, we've got a little cleaning brush. Now, yeah, this is useful, I suppose, but I think that's just a makeup brush. I honestly think that's just a makeup brush. But yeah, I suppose I'll use that. Then again, I don't think I will use that. they don't feel particularly soft. No, they feel a lot coarser than what they should feel, to be honest. This, I thought, well, if all else fails, I've got something that I definitely can use. That's some lens cleaning fluid, which is fantastic. So I'll save that to last because there's something very special about that. I'll put that there to one side. All right, enough's enough. Let's get to the showpiece of the bag, the lens cleaning kit. The reason I bought this. Are you ready? Drum roll, please. Is it the Celestron rival? Well, no, it certainly is not. Wow. I mean, okay, this can be forgiven, this can be... But this is what you're paying your money for. This is meant to be the item. And straight away, folks, what I can say is, do you know the plastic that you get in, like, Christmas crackers? That kind of... That's how it feels. It feels like... Let's see, I'll give it the strength test. Actually, look at that. That's quite surprising, actually. I thought that'd break straight off. But it's really cheap plastic. Now, I will do a little demonstration of what you're supposed to do, but there's no way I'm going to put this on my eyepiece. So I'll just do a little jump cut and grab an eyepiece. And as if by magic, a eyepiece suddenly appears. Right, what you're supposed to do with these things is... in fact, let me put my glasses on so I can actually see what I'm doing. You've got these little felt pads. Can you see them on the end here? And what they do is they go in there. Now, usually, I think in the Celestron one, there's two. There only appears to be... Oh, wait a minute. I think you pull this out. Yeah, so you've got like a triangular one there. Oh, this plastic, honestly, folks, I can't tell you how cheap and... It just feels so bad. You know, I'm not a snob. Don't get me wrong, folks. I am not an equipment snob. But you know when something is just really, really cheap plastic. Well, that's what this feels like. So, yeah, you take that out. Is that something else there? Ah, right, yeah. Now, so you put this in here. That's it. You can see I'm winging this. You know what I mean? I don't really know that much about it. I've just seen it on an advert and seen some people demonstrate it. So you put that on there, but I think what you're supposed to do is get your cleaning fluid and put it in there, okay? And this is like a sponge type thing. And you get this part first and you dab it in there like that to load it with your cleaning fluid. You then put that back in there. Now, I'm not going to put, even though this eyepiece does need cleaning by the looks of it, you then would then just erase fingerprints off your eyepiece. Now, the Celestron one, supposed to work brilliantly. It has some really good reviews. But there is no way on God's earth I am putting this anywhere near any of my eyepieces. You know, I just don't know what that material is. It could be anything. But that's basically how it works. And obviously this triangle one, you do the same. You dab it in the end. And that one... I don't know if the camera's picking that up. I'll probably do some close-ups because I think the Celestron one's identical to this. You can just get into the nooks and crannies a little bit easier on your eyepiece. Now, the absolute star of the bag has to be this. Now, I talked about this cleaning fluid, were really, really useful. Yeah, it would be useful. There's just one small problem. This is how it arrived, completely dry and empty. Well, did I expect any more for £6?